What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making instant pot ramen. I'm using chicken today. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breasts. And add in 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger, 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Then you're going to pour in 6 cups of chicken broth. Then you're going to pressure cook for 10 minutes and allow the steam to release naturally for 10 minutes, and open up that pot and remove your chicken. Then you're going to shred the chicken. Return that chicken back to the pot and place your pot on the saute function. Add in 2 cups of bok choy, 1 cup of snap peas, half a cup of sliced shiitake mushrooms, 1/4 cup of grated carrots, then 6 ounces of ramen noodles. Go ahead and give that a good stir. And then once the noodles have softened, go ahead and load up your bowl. I like to add in some soft boiled eggs, and there you have it, instant pot ramen.